In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create a personal goods shipment in an ACI eManifest from start to finish. A personal goods shipment, also known as casual goods, is a shipment type that allows for the release of shipments consisting of non-commercial or personal goods being transported into Canada by a highway carrier. It's commonly used when carriers are transporting individuals' personal belongings when they're moving to Canada. To qualify, the goods must not be imported into Canada for sale or for any commercial or industrial use. The driver must also present a completed A8A form, as well as any other customs documentation that itemizes the goods being transported, such as a BSF186 form, for example. And for more information on a personal goods shipment in ACI, visit BorderConnect support wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. To start, once you're logged in, hover over ACI eManifests and click Start New ACI eManifest, and you'll be brought to the Start New ACI eManifest page. Once all your eManifest trip details are added, such as your unique trip number, Canadian port of entry, ETA, and the truck, trailer, and driver, you can then begin creating your ACI shipment. So at the bottom of the page, click Save and Start New ACI Shipment. You're now on the Start New ACI Shipment page. First, from the top, you'll want to change your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS shipment by default, but since this is a personal goods shipment, just click the shipment type and change it to personal goods. Next, enter your cargo control number. Then, add your shipper and consignee information. You can quickly assign them in BorderConnect by typing in the first few characters of the name of the shipper or consignee, or by entering the address, and it'll pop up for you. Simply click it to add it to the eManifest. If this is a new consignee, for example, click Add Consignee, enter the consignee information, and save it to add it to the shipment. It's that easy. Once you add your shipper, you'll notice that the city of loading field below was automatically assigned based on the location of the shipper. But if you picked up the load from a different location than the shipper's address, provide the city you picked it up from here in the City of Acceptance field. Now it's time to move on and create the commodity details for the ACI shipment. So, at the bottom of the page, click Save and Add Commodity. You're now on the Add Commodity for ACI shipment page, so enter the description of goods, quantity, and weight. For the description on a personal goods shipment, you'll want to be as descriptive as you can, so it's best to list the major items separated by commas. And that's it. Now that you've added the commodity, you can go back to the shipment details page and print your A8A. So hover over Save on the top and click Save and back to ACI shipment. Then, from the ACI shipment details page on the top right, hover over A8A form and click Print, where you can see all of your shipment details automatically populated on your A8A. So provide this document to your driver. Next, click back at the top to go back to your ACI eManifest details page, where you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance. If you had additional information to add to your manifest, now is the perfect time to do so. For example, if your trailer had a seal, or you'd like to assign a team driver, you can do it right from here. If all your information is correct, you can now send it to CBSA. To do this, go to the top of your eManifest, and under Send to CBSA, click Send Trip and Shipments. BorderConnect will automatically update your eManifest to 3 blue bars once it's accepted by CBSA. Additionally, if your driver is set up for ACI text or email alerts, they'd be automatically notified. And since there is no transaction number for a personal goods shipment, your eManifest will remain at 3 blue bars until the driver arrives at the border.
Hi. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this. Or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.